Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at Avis, Toronto Airport. And when I walked through here a day or two ago, there were a lot of Chrysler 300s and Dodge Chargers. See if that's still the case today. Got an Audi SUV. Well, here we go. I see Chrysler 300 and, oh, that might even be the new Expedition down there. There we go, 300 Charger. Got an old Murano. Anything starting with a C license plate is going to be a little bit older. Hemi Durango. Yeah, we got a Mercedes SUV beside the Caravan. And we got somebody coming in with a Durango here. Got a Grand Wagoneer. And which way we're gonna go? So there's a sign for Zipcar. I wonder if Zipcars are eventually coming out here. Okay. Anyway, let's back this way maybe, guys. There's another Charger in behind that Audi. Got a few of these Hemi Durangos. There's a new Hyundai SUV, Buick SUV. The 300. Acadia, Nissan, Lincoln Aviator, regular Durango, not a Hemi. It's probably the GT. What's got the you call those bars on the side again? Running boards. Is it running board? And another new, that's the new Expedition. Yeah, so those are starting to show up in the lots. Got another Charger coming up beside this VW. Like an Aviator, Audi, and Cherokee, BMW. Yeah, we got some more of the trucks. We got the Jeep, the GMC Expedition. They always have the bigger SUVs down here. We got the Chevy, Durango, Wagoneer, pickup truck, another Wagoneer, Yukon, a couple more Wagoneers down at the end here. I like those all black ones, are kind of nice. And this is all Enterprise over there now. That used to be Avis, but you can tell who's doing a lot of business. Alamo Enterprise International have expanded a lot here at the airport. Probably mostly because of the really good customer service. Probably doing really well. BMW. And a Wagoneer. Okay, we've got a couple Broncos in there. And another Audi 300s. Yeah, so I think that's going to wrap it up. Yeah, we got Genesis over there. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Just a quick reminder, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe. And if you wish to help support the channel, memberships are available. More information down in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.